Kaur and I am from YFC Rudka Kala. And in 2013, I started work in YFC Rudka Kala. So अभी मैं आपके साथ जो हमारी मेरी जर्नी रही है उसके बारे में आपके साथ बात करूंगी। जैसे अभी मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई जो मतलब पूरी कर ली थी, उसके बाद जैसे मेरे को जॉब की जरूरत थी। बचपन से ही मेरे को स्पोर्ट्स में काफी इंटरेस्ट था कि मैं स्पोर्ट्स में जाऊं, बट आई वॉज अ गर्ल। सो गर्ल्स के लिए बहुत कम अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती है गांव में, एंड ऑल्सो अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी कम होती है, और इसके अलावा और भी काफी इश्यूज होते हैं जैसे फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस, लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, लैक ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज। सो इसके लिए फिर मेरे एक फ्रेंड्स थे, तो उन्होंने मेरे को बताया कि जसप्रीत यू कैन ज्वाइन YFC एज ए टीचर। सो देन आई मेट मिस्टर गुरुमंगल दास जी इन 2013 एंड उनके साथ मैंने बात की कि सर आई नीड जॉब इन स्पोर्ट्स बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी क्यूरियस टू ज्वाइन द स्पोर्ट्स, बट दैट टाइम आई वाज नॉट directly join the sports, but I was indirectly join the sports. Like then YFC appointed me as a teacher in government primary schools in Rudka Kala, and then I started work over there to use football as a tool for the holistic development of the girls and the children. So that time only I joined 196 girls in 2013. But in couple of months, like after 8 to 9 months, we have changed, a positive change a lot we see in the girls, like build the confidence. सब तो ज़्यादा जड़ी उन्होंने मतलब इंटरेस्ट से गालबात करते सी, वो मेरे नाल करते सी as compared to other teachers. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बात करते थे, ऐसा चीज़ काफ़ी था। उनकी जो हैबिट्स थी वो भी काफ़ी चेंज हो रही थी। उसके बाद फिर हमने इस जो हमारा स्पोर्ट्स फॉर डेवलपमेंट वाला प्रोग्राम था, वी हैव स्केल अप इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट जालंधर अक्रॉस 30 गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल्स विद 3000 चिल्ड्रन, half of them girls and boys. So later, that time I have faced a lot of challenges in my village Rudka Kala because I was only one girl in the YFC. Because in the YFC office and the rest thing, no any girls over there, only boys and male staff over there. But that time I faced the challenges to the community, and also my parents also listen like many issues from the community. जैसे कि होता है ना कि गांव में जब लड़की लेट काम से आती है तो लोग कई प्रकार की बातें बनाते हैं. And that time I was not so much fine feel, but later I feel good. But that time my parents supported me, and also Gurumangal sir and Anshu sir, rest of the team said me, we provide a platform, but here you need to perform. How you need to perform, how you need to do. So that time I just built my confidence. I need to do, and I need to become a role model for the rest of the girls who are living in my village and rest of the village. Then in 2015, my जो मेरी जिंदगी थी उसमें एक नया मोड़ आया, because I was shortlisted as a young leader by the United Nations Sports for Development for the Youth Leadership Campaign 2015 in Japan. So that time my colleague Jagjit Singh Jeeta and I was selected for that camp from India. So that time जो मेरे गांव का माहौल था और जो मेरी फैमिली थी, मतलब वो काफ़ी खुश हुई, बिकॉज मेरे को आउट ऑफ रुड़का कला जाने का मौका मिला। बिकॉज स्कूल टाइम जब हम स्कूल से कहीं इवेंट में जाना ਜਾਂ कहीं
समाज ਨੂੰ ਬਦਲਣ ਦੀ, ਖੇਡਾਂ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਸਮਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਲਣ ਦੀ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ। ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ 30,000 ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ, ਔਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਐਕਸਪੋਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲੀ ਉਸ ਕੰਮ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਅਮੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਥੈਂਕਫੁਲ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਕਲੱਬ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਸੋ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਥੈਂਕਫੁਲ ਟੂ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਅਮੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਤਰ who actually allotted us Generation Amazing Community Club during their FIFA World Cup 2022 legacy bid. So they got one of the centers made, I think, the same 4 centers around the world, 7 centers, not it?
5.
We are one of the 5 Generation Amazing community clubs all over the world, which Generation Amazing Foundation has done. So this will actually amplify the movement of YFC for making a change in the lives of underprivileged children through sports. So we are very thankful, and I will just now give my mic to Jasim Ali, who can just elaborate about Generation Amazing Foundation. Jasim.
Hi everyone. Hope everyone is good. Actually, we are Generation Amazing. Our start was with the World Cup Qatar 2022 wedding. We are using the power of sports to change lives around the world. We have 75, I would say, GACC around the world. And we recently, as you know, we launched Roca Kalam, which we are very proud of. One of the unique facilities that we have is Roca Kalam, since the facility itself has a lot of potential, such as with football pitch, with basketball, with auditorium that can host 200 people at the same time. Also, we look forward actually to make this with our partners, of course, YFC, to make this a safe haven and a safe environment for the community members to do some capacity building, leadership training, also train sports for development, football for development, also encounter and engage each part of the society, such as the elderly, such as the young people, such as special needs, etc. All that stuff. So thank you.
We have one 11-side football pitch in this facility, then basketball court, then a tennis court, pickleball court, badminton court, then we have an auditorium for 150 people, then we have a multi-gym, multi-activity hall and residential facilities for 32 players, then we have a nutrition house, a mess cafeteria and other areas. This is the first part of the facility. In the next part we are constructing an indoor hall and swimming pool, which is like a 200 meter into 150 meter indoor stadium is being constructed, for which the work is being done. So we are launching the first phase of this big project in the rural area. So any questions from your side is welcome, please. Yes, we signed an MOU. It is not just a facility. Generation Amazing will be supporting 3,000 children for a couple of years. So we have appointed 15 coaches in different disciplines, managers, coaches, physiotherapists. So it will support 3,000 children every year in basketball, in football, in wrestling, in kabaddi. So the MOU is for the regular activities which will be done at GACC Roca Kalam with the help of Generation Amazing Foundation. So it will be free of cost to every person there. देखो जनरेशन अमेजिंग कम्युनिटी क्लब इंडिया ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਰੁੜਕਾ ਕਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ ਸੈਂਟਰਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਈ ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਵਰਕਿੰਗ ਇਨ ਸਕੂਲਸ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਵਰਕਿੰਗ ਇਨ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀਜ਼ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਜੇ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਹੈਵ ਕੈਂਪਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੰਗੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲਾਈਜ਼ਡ ਕੈਂਪ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਅਮੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ 5 ਸੈਂਟਰਸ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਫਿਲੀਪੀਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਰੁੜਕਾ ਕਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਜਾਰਡਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੋਰਾਕੋ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਵਾਂਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਦੋਹਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ 5 ਸੈਂਟਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਏ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਵਰਲਡ ਕੱਪ ਦੀ ਲੈਗੇਸੀ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਚੋਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੌਣ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੌਣ ਪਰ ਇਹ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ more than 60 countries ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ foundation is helping kids to have better lifestyle through sports. Yes, It is basically 8 crores in the first phase, like US dollar 1 million US dollars, and the land was donated by our family, Mahant Seva Das ji, for 6 acres of land. Apart from the land, the building construction, everything, it costed like 8 crore rupees. Hi everyone, please maintain silence, please. You know, it's a press conference going on. Please support us. Please maintain silence. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Look, we have more than 8,000 children, which we are supporting through Sports for Development and Sports for Excellence programs in Punjab and Gujarat in Maharashtra. Now we have 65 kids in the hostels. 50 are in football and 15 are in wrestling. So are given full boarding, lodging facilities, training, exposure and everything. So in future, this GACC, we anticipate that in next 5 years, we reach out to 50,000 children in Punjab. Yeah, anything else, sir?
Sir, as you talking about the hostel, in which like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ 65 ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਫੀਸ ਚਾਰजेस ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਟੋਟਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ
ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਫੀਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਰਜ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਆਫ ਕਾਸਟ but in the hostel for excellence program they are competitive our panel of coaches selects the players through a panel and trials.
Sir, any MOU with the Punjab government or any support from Punjab government?
Punjab government has been supporting us since 2008 with the diet money of they started with 16 players. Now they are giving us diet money for 65 players in a sports wing scheme.
What is the entry procedure and how long you provide in training?
Like we have two types of programs. One is sports for development. Anybody can come and train there, no problem. But for the boarding program, hostel program, we have trials to get into and we have different age groups. So the trials are open in March. So it is publicized through newspapers and social media and a panel of coaches selects the kids to be there. Anything else, sir? Hope ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਨਾਲ it reaches to millions of other people ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਸ ਚੰਗੇ ਕੰਮ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜੁੜ ਸਕਣਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ so ਤੁਹਾਡੀ support is your support is most important as you can say.
Thank you guys.
Stadium. Infrastructure is there, but the challenge is still the kids are not coming. The challenge is not proper manpower. And manpower there not only to develop kids through sports, but also educate them. So Sony ji has not started a program only for coaching of sports. They have a sports for development program. Thinking of it, they moved from a program wherein it was only boy centric. And the story goes back to 2010. I along with Sony, we were a team selected to participate in the Deloitte Street Child Football World Cup, and it was a 7-a-side tournament. See, the challenge was we took a contingent of 10 boys with coach Bunty ji is there, and there the format was 6 boys and 1 girl to play. And we were honored or supported by local community over there because India settles everywhere in the world, and Durban in itself they had 3rd generation Indians.
Gurmangal and your team, you made sure that to make this like a remarkable moment in, I would say, in personal Jassim history and as a milestone in Generation Amazing. Actually, our GACC Roka Kalam is just not like a place for people to go and play football and they go back. No, it's a place to transform lives. So the facility will give an access for 10,000 10,000 members of the community annually, and 3,000 children and youth. The thing is, it will be a safe environment, and it will be like a safe haven even for the community to seek the social change. The facility itself has a football pitch, has a gym, has a basketball court. Also like an auditorium that can fit 200%. With all these combinations, GACC Waqar Kalan should be a very good push for the social change in the local community. And honestly, we are proud of it, and you should be also proud of it. Thank you very much. I didn't want to talk too much, so thank you very much. Shukriya.